The Christmas season is finally here, and it's time to spread our Christmas cheer. And while we love to hear the old classics, has anyone told you the story of how Delmarva Christmas lights turns your house from boring to fantastic? Some would say it's magic, and that just may be the case. But it's not just another day at the office when these guys show up to your place. Lights for miles and bulbs aplenty, no house is too big for Buddy or his help Mindy. Multicolor, cool white, or something more traditional, these guys can do it all to pull off your holiday visual. And they don't just put them up, because that would be too easy. They hired some help to take them down, and some would say he's sleazy. All the way from Whoville, taking down lights is his profession. The Grinch can't wait for the holidays to be over, removal is his obsession. And even though they don't see eye to eye, their results are the bomb. So if you need an install or removal, just visit WeLightStuffUp.com. Happy holidays from Delmarva Christmas Lights.